Hello everyone, today I am going to demonstrate how to check for the visual acuity in a patient. For checking the visual acuity, we are going to check both for distant vision and for near vision. For checking the distant vision, we are going to use Snellen's chart, and we will start first by greeting the patient and taking the consent from him. Hello sir, I am a second year MBBS student. I am going to demonstrate how to check visual acuity on you. Can I do it?
Yes.
So after taking consent from the patient, we are going to make the patient sit at a distance of 6 meters from the Snellen's chart. We will make the subject close his one eye and check the visual acuity for other eye. And then we're going to repeat the process on the other eye. By convention, we check the visual acuity first for the right eye. Can you please cover your left eye? Please read the letters written on the chart.
E, F, P, L, P, E. Sir, आगे नहीं बढ़ा.
You can see the subject can read the Snellen's chart till the point marked 15. The visual acuity for the person is 6 by 15 for the right eye. Similarly, we are going to calculate the visual acuity for the left eye. If the subject is unable to read even the first line of the Snellen's chart from 6 meters, we are going to tell the subject to come 1 meters forward. Can you please come 1 meter forward?
Yes, sir.
After making the subject come 1 meters forward, we are going to ask the subject once again to read the Snellen's chart. Now, if the subject is not able to read from a distance of 5 meters, we are going to repeat the same process by making the subject first stand at 4 meters, then 3 meters, then 2 meters, and then 1 meters. If the subject is still unable to read the Snellen's chart, we are going to proceed with the finger counting. In finger counting, we are going to ask the subject how many fingers he can see.
2.
Now, as the subject is not able to count the fingers properly, we are going to proceed with the hand movements. Can you see the movement of my hands?
No, sir.
Using the torch, we are going to project light in the subject's eye and ask if he can perceive it. Can you perceive the light?
Yes.
Now, we are going to ask the subject that he can see the light from which direction.
Right. Bottom. Top. From left side.
Now we are going to check the patient for near vision. In near vision, we are going to use Jaggers chart. We will ask the subject to read the Jaggers chart from ordinary reading distance, that is 25 centimeters. Please read this chart.
And another image came to me. The camp stood where until quite lately. Sir, I'm not able to read this.
As the subject cannot read the point marked N5, the visual acuity for near vision is N6. For checking the color vision, use Ishihara cards. Please read what is written on this chart.
8.
Please read what is written.
29.
For checking the visual acuity of illiterate people, Landau's C chart is used, in which the person is asked that in which direction he can see the ring open. For pre-literate children, we use a picture chart, in which various pictures are shown to them and the names are asked.